can't make this stuff up, guys.
Hey, I'm Randy, and I was eating dinner tonight with my wife, and I had an epiphany. We always eat tacos with shredded cheese on top, and inevitably the cheese falls off the taco, gets messy, and you don't get a cheesy bite with every part of the taco. And the epiphany was, why don't you use a cheese stick? Put it on the bottom of the taco, then the meat and beans, if you so choose, melts the cheese a little bit, and you get a consistent bite of cheese throughout the entire taco. So I'm about to test it out right here for you. 2 tacos. I'm gonna do one the traditional method and one my way. So just see how it goes. Last but not least, the cheese, shredded cheese for the other taco. Okay, I'm just saying, it looks like a winner to me, but the proof is in the taste. Ready? I like it. All right, bye for now. If you like that clip, I ask you to hit the like button down below. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And leave a comment on anything you'd like me to explore under Real Life with Randy. Thanks for looking.